Kalgiri, and also worked as a professor in mechanical engineering in JIT Anantapur. Sir is one of the eminent persons, especially in your domain, that is mechanical engineering. It's really our fortune. Sir is also the chairman for Institution of Engineers in our state. Actually, we invited Devakumar sir for inaugurating the student chapter for Institution of Engineers to our college, and your head of the department grabbed the opportunity so that sir experience and wisdom will be useful to mechanical students also. So in that way, this 1 hour session, this lecture is arranged on the topic career opportunities in mechanical engineering. So sir is going to share his knowledge, wisdom and experience. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you, madam.
Respected management, respected head of the institution, and today's resource person, my dear faculty members, and my dear students. A very good afternoon to one and all. So today we are having a very great session regarding this career opportunities in mechanical engineering by a very eminent person, Professor M.L.S. Devakumar Garu. So, the Institute of Engineers, Andhra Pradesh State Center, in association with Board of Community Development through Education, Government of India. So, today we are having a guest lecture on career opportunities in mechanical engineering by Devakumar sir, who is an eminent professor. He is going to deliver a guest lecture regarding the career opportunities, how a mechanical engineering student is going to acquire some jobs are to grab the jobs in the market, what are the jobs available in the market. So how a mechanical engineer can upgrade his knowledge in the eminent areas in order to get a job and in order to sustain in the market. So this is a very great opportunity for all the students. Try to learn all the things which are delivered by today's eminent person. So I welcome you sir for this guest lecture. So now I hand you over this to Jawaharlal Garu to introduce today's chief guest. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Principal sir. Before going to start the guest lecture, I am delighted to introduce today's guest. Sir name Dr. Professor M.L.S. Devakumar sir, Professor of Mechanical Engineering in JIT University, Anantapur. Sir is Secretary and CEO both for Community Development through Education, Government of AP, Chairman for the Institute of Engineers, AP State Center. Sir having 25 years experience in teaching in especially mechanical engineering and management in JNTU Anantapur. And he is also worked as a production engineering at Navbharat Weather Alliance Limited, Hyderabad, and as field executive in a non-banking finance company in Karnataka. Sir was working as a principal of JNTU College of Engineering, Kalkiri, Chittoor district during 21 to 22. Sir is founder Director JNTU School for Management Studies, Anantapur. He served JNTU University as NSS Program Coordinator in 2014 to 18. Sir was the principal of JNTU College of Engineering, Pulivendula during 2013 to 14. He rendered his service as a coordinator for AP Center, a state level entrance examination from 2015 to 2020. He is a DOA chairman, governing body member, academic council member for several colleges. Sir guidance. Sir guided 8 PhDs are awarded and 8 PhDs are in progress. 67 MTech and 11 MBA theses were supervised. Some more experienced person and publication. He got to his credit of publications by 71 international journals, 29 national journals, 28 national conference, 10 international conference, and 1 monograph. Sir awards. He is the recipient of prestigious Indira Gandhi NSS National Award from President of India in 2016. He received Indian Society for Technical Education State Best Engineering Teachers Award in 2019. He was a State Best NSS Program Coordinator Award in 2016. Sir received State Best Teachers Award by Government of AP in 2022 from the Chief Minister of AP. And sir having professional board in social leadership. He is the chairman, the Institute of Engineers, Andhra Pradesh State Center 2024 to 26. And is the honorable secretary, the Institute of Engineers, Andhra Pradesh State Center. And having life member of IST, Commercial Institute, Solar Energy Society of India, Aeronautical Society of India. Sir, finally produced JQA Anantapur University song JQ Anthem. Sir, is most experienced person. So all of you please silence and note down each and every point what sir is going to be explained. Now I hand out this session to our professor Devakumar sir.
Thank you, Johan. Brief introduction. Somebody get up, Johan. Johan. So, good afternoon, all of you. Within how much time we have to get? Half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes, sir. Option is for you. I think you are waiting for your lunch, right?
I know about sir. Sir is very favorable for students. He likes the students because I was the student in the JNU school. And then at the time I know sir, about sir, very lovable and always encouraging the students about their career. So you have good opportunities. Please follow this.
Okay. I'm very happy to talk to mechanical engineers. When I entered this campus, I felt very happy seeing your work, playing work out in the garden, IT works. Right? So, really happy. That is the power of mechanicals. Right? Here we are, mechanicals. Right? So are you happy being a mechanical engineer? Okay. But many students are not happy, right? As being mechanical engineers. So just my first question is, what made you to be here? Is by choice or by chance? By choice the mechanical చేరాలి పట్టుదలతో చేరాలా లేదంటే ఏదో అప్లై చేసి ఎక్కడో పడిపోయి కర్మపతి మెకానికల్ ఉన్నారు రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి కదా ఇస్తాగా రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి అయితే ఉంటారు either by choice or by chance, right? So whatever it may be, by choice or by chance, but there is no option. You are mechanical engineers, either maybe by choice or by chance, right? So this group is mechanical engineers, right? So I am talking to mechanical students. So right. So it is clear. You are there. You are here either by choice or by chance. Now you have to survive as a mechanical engineer. So what you can do now? There is no option. You cannot become a computer science engineer by certificate. You cannot become an electronics engineer. You cannot become some other thing, right? So what exactly you can do at the most? So now the best option now is you have to explore what are the opportunities. You have to explore many things maybe about your institution, about your branch, what are the job opportunities, what are the avenues where you can fit in, how you can plan your career, how you can build your life. You can explore. That's the only option. So how many of you are 5 year students? 5 year? Okay. 3rd year? Okay, good. So remaining maybe second and second year students, maybe some of the first year students. Especially for 5 year students, you are having very limited time now to plan your career. Maybe 3rd year students still they will be having 1 more year plus time to shape your careers. So now at this point of time, you have to plan, explore, and you have to identify what are the opportunities. And then once you explore, you have to enrich yourself. ఒకసారి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఏమున్నాయి ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకున్న తర్వాత దానికోసం హౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఎంరిచ్ యువర్సెల్ఫ్ దాని రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్వైట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ దెమ్ అండ్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ రీలర్నింగ్ అండ్ అన్లర్నింగ్ అండ్ లర్నింగ్ అండ్ వన్స్ యూ ఎంరిచ్ యువర్సెల్ఫ్ డెఫినెట్లీ యూ ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ ప్రొఫెషన్ యువర్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ యువర్ కెరియర్స్ సో జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ స్పేర్ సమ్ టైమ్ ఆన్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ యూ ఓకే? So now I ask the first question, how much time you require? So don't tell me within 7 I complete in 15 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. So depends upon your interest. I'll cut short my session. Shall I take half an hour? 1 hour? Okay then. So okay, next. So explore means what exactly you have to understand everything. What are the opportunities? How what are the methodologies and values, what are rules and rules, right? And being a mechanical engineer, what are the options available? Maybe some of you may be having a lot of ideas after mechanical engineering, what are the options? Unfortunately, majority of the students are thinking that only software jobs are the jobs available for engineers. And because of that reason, every student who is joining engineering, they are looking to get into CSC. That is general trend to what's happening. Maybe some of you might have not in that this one, moderately or joined mechanical, then I appreciate you. And even if you might have tried for some other CSC or allied branches, but unfortunately you are into mechanical branch. Even then you are fortunate, you are here as a mechanical engineer. So within this, what are the various opportunities? There are plenty of opportunities other than software. Software is open for everybody. Those who knows the programming language, they can get it. And today the trend is changing again because of artificial intelligence. AI tools are generating programs. There is no requirement for programmers. There is no requirement for programmers. Now we can see the trend. CSC people also not having so many programmer jobs. Earlier all companies used to recruit as programmers. Use requirement was there. Today the trend is not there. No programmer required. If you give a ChatGPT and if you ask that to develop a program, it develops. And if you take a AI tool, if you ask to develop a website, it develops a website. So I think some of you may be trying that. So maybe you might have used the ChatGPT, Bard, or so many almost thousands of AI tools are there. They'll be doing a lot of activities. So you can use that for anything. So, but as a mechanical engineer, we are having specific opportunities that we have explored. And then next, you have to enrich yourself. That is, enriching means what are the requirements of the industry, what they are looking for. Are you there to have such knowledge, such expectation? Are you meeting that expectation? Once you meet that, definitely you will have a lot of opportunities. And then enjoy every moment of learning until there's next week. So let us see how we can explore. So exploring is how you find the sources. What are the sources of knowing about your branch of engineering and your college? Your college is also having some advantages. You may be having some few. It is almost 25 years plus college. So 25 batches already they have studied here. Right? So almost 20 batches they have passed out. You may be having some alumni students. So they may be settled at good positions. So how many of you are in touch with your super series? Being a mechanical engineer, we take help of our another department of mechanical engineers and management. to explore, or you can start a YouTube channel, you can start a Instagram page exclusively for mechanical engineers of science, and all people let them join. So you'll get a lot of big network throughout the world. That's the greatest source of knowing people, right? So once you know that attachment, you will get a lot of opportunities come to you. They will be settling at the highest positions, right? So they'll tell you, they'll be having a lot of operation towards the institution definitely. So they'll tell you, is there any opportunity in their organization, in their locality, or in the circle of their friends? They'll tell you the opportunities, and they'll give hints. What are the requirements? So you see, for any interview, there is some requirement from the interviewer. So if you are able to prove yourself that you are having that meeting that requirements, you are there. But blindly we will attend many of the interviews. So by attending interviews blindly, we will be telling what we know, but we don't reach the expectations of the interviewer. So if you could reach the expectations of the interviewer, you will be selected, right? But there will be interview techniques and testing process that have given a lot of interest to you, to how to go for interview preparation. So you have to understand the organization, you have to understand the job roles for what you are attending, and what are the requirements. These things are peripheral, but if you know the circle, if you are having a linkage with an organization or somebody, then what exactly they require. Then what exactly they require. So recently, there was a faculty recruitment is happening. So there can be a department. So as I am the founder of a company, one person called me and he asked, he told that, sir, I am appearing for faculty interview. Anyway, I am not there to go. So I need your message. That's the one thing he made. So then I told him, so MBA department now is looking for people who are having knowledge in data analytics. And because JNU Anantapur has started business data analytics MBA program. So now there is no teachers available for teach data analytics. If you are equipped with a certificate in data analytics, you will get selected. So now interview is completed, he got selected because after I told him, given a hint that data analytics is a requirement there. So he applied for an online course and he completed an online course within a 1 week time and he will get 2 certificates of data analytics. The interview he has shown that certificates. Sir, I am having, even without asking, okay, what are the, this one. In the first lead question in any interview is, what is the first question in any interview? Self-introduction. Develop yourself. So in that, develop introduce yourself, develop yourself itself, you have to utilize. They don't require all your stories. They don't require all your cinema customer or customer. Be job and other things are better in customer by that is the first question. So this is while introducing yourself, you have to tell in such a way that I am having these capabilities. So that is up to you. If you don't take me, you are always going to lose. And I tell you, so after the requirement to data mix or learning, he has given that certificates and without any assessment they have taken it. Right? Like that, in mechanical engineering also, they will be having a lot of options. You have to find out the source where we can. You have to equip yourself. You have to equip yourself. Next please. So these are the set goals. Anyway, we need to improve. So for any opportunity, once you know the opportunity, you have to do these things. Is everybody knows this, right? So improve knowledge, develop knowledge, practice learnings, experience the practice, and expose to the environment and exhibit yourself. So each and every topic is very elaborative. I think I am not going in depth of all these things. Ultimately, you have to improve your knowledge. Domain knowledge, improve చేసుకోవాలి, and skills develop చేసుకోవాలి. Skills required to matching to that requirement. Already you have explored what are the opportunities, what are the requirements. So our requirements ఏది కావాలనేది ఆ skills you have to develop. Skills may be different forms. Especially today we are living in a advanced technological stage. So for everything we are using technology. For every skill, for every activity, we need a skill using a technology, using a tool. That is very, very important. If you just get the engineering degree without our theoretical subjects, it's not sufficient. It's not sufficient. But knowing this, how many of you have got equipped with new tool? Chala tools, chala softwares related to mechanical. How many of you are expertise in those tools? With those tools, how many of you have skills using that tool? If you are having that, definitely you are hard. మీరు ఎక్కడ చదువుతున్నారు ఏం చదువుతున్నారు తెలుసుకోవడం